Let me guess, you've been considering making the move to condo living, but you want to make sure you find the perfect building
with the perfect layout and decor,
located on the perfect floor level with, you guessed it, the perfect water views. Sound too good to be true? Not this time, because we got all that and more on today's episode. All right, Jules, here we are, what feels like our second home. We're back down at Grand Harbour condominiums right on beautiful Kempenfelt Bay.
Scott, you and I have both had the privilege of living in condos down here by the water, and so we can really speak to this firsthand. This is all about lifestyle. It couldn't be a more convenient location. You're within walking distance to Barrie's downtown core with shops and restaurants, but more importantly, you are literally a stone's throw away from the beach with spectacular waterfront.
Couldn't agree more. And then the building itself has truly stood the test of time. It's been beautifully updated over the years, and you've got some of the best amenities you're going to find when it comes to condo living in all of Barrie. Right from that gorgeous large indoor heated pool to the sauna, you've got change rooms and locker rooms, gorgeous party rooms, the fitness center, guest suites, you name it, they've got it covered here. Now, what's exceptional about this one is we talked about the building getting updates over the year, but let me tell you, the suite we're going to showcase today has one of the best renovations you've seen to date. I'm talking right back to the studs here, complete renovation from top to bottom. Now, let's head inside and check out this beautiful condo. The renovation that's taken place in this suite is simply not something that you see very often, and it is breathtaking. Let's start with the layout for a moment. This Driftwood has 1,579 square feet, completely open concept, highlighted with these giant 9-foot ceilings, so it's such an open, airy feel in here. And the finishes are spot on, right from the flooring. Every square inch has been redone in this suite. The trim work into the beautiful millwork you see in behind me here. You've got a spectacular gas, modern, linear fireplace. You never see that in condo living. But then it's down to the finer finishes as well. We've got things like custom closet organizers in each and every closet throughout the entire suite. So not only is it beautiful, it's also functional. From there, let's talk entertaining. The star of the show, check out that view.
No expense was spared in the stunning renovation of this condo, and it couldn't be more apparent than here in the kitchen. With this gorgeous quartz waterfall countertop, integrated appliances, and a stunning arabesque backsplash, it flows seamlessly into your dining space. Whoever said you had to sacrifice entertainment value with condo living has never been in this Driftwood model.
The other area you don't sacrifice in this model is the bedroom sizes. They are enormous in size. You could easily get a full king-size bedroom suite in the primary here. But then, of course, the finish level is spot on as well. Check out the gorgeous feature wall that they did in behind the headboard there, filled with a ton of pot lights, just like the rest of this suite. And then you walk through to the gorgeous primary bathroom. You've got a spectacular ensuite in there with a full glass walk-in shower, beautiful tile flooring. The vanity is modern and completely updated. You're going to absolutely love it. And then, of course, you got another full walk-in closet, complete with those closet organizers.
The perfect condo wouldn't be complete without the perfect outdoor space, and this one has it.
Couldn't agree more, Jules. Just imagine entertaining on a balcony like this. Now, you know the renovation is complete when right down to the composite floor tiles on the balcony are finished to perfection. Now, speaking of perfection, get a load of the view over our shoulders here, straight up the middle of Kempenfelt Bay, which means you get those morning sunrises, the ideal spot for that morning cup of coffee. Or maybe the sun has just set and you want to admire the beautiful downtown city lights reflecting on Kempenfelt Bay directly over the marina. There simply is nothing like it. This is a view that will never grow old.
We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know waterfront condos. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.